Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you work-from-home warriors out there. If you spend long hours in front of your computer, you'll want to pay attention to this one. Introducing the VINTEZ Blue Light Blocking Screen Protector. It's not just any screen protector. It's a game changer for anyone who values their eye health and productivity. Let's dive into what makes this product so exceptional. First up, it's the blue light blocking technology. The VINTEZ screen protector reduces up to 61% of harmful blue light emitted by your monitor, which can lead to eye strain, headaches, and disrupted sleep patterns. But that's not all. It also offers up to 99% protection against UV light. UV rays can be harmful to your eyes and skin, so having this extra layer of defense is a great bonus. This screen protector is not picky. It's universally compatible with 23 to 24-inch monitors, including popular brands like HP, Samsung, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, Asus, LG, VINTEZ, and more. Plus, it's removable and reusable, so you can use it even if you upgrade your monitor. Installation is a breeze, taking only seconds. Just peel off the protective film, position it over your monitor, and you're good to go. No tools or hardware needed. With a 4H hardness rating, it protects your monitor from scratches, dirt, and even fingerprints. It's like armor for your screen. Now, I've been using this screen protector for a while, and the difference is remarkable. My eyes feel less strained, and I've noticed a significant reduction in those late-night headaches. In conclusion, the VINTEZ Blue Light Blocking Screen Protector is a must-have for anyone working from home. It's affordable, easy to install, and it will make a significant difference in your eye comfort and overall well-being. So, if you value your eye health and want to enhance your productivity, click the link in the description below to get your VINTEZ Blue Light Blocking Screen Protector today. Your eyes will thank you for it. That's all for today's product critique. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, stay productive and stay healthy.